Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you YouTrip how to change currency. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. YouTrip doesn't let you switch a default currency like a chosen home currency. Instead, you can exchange one currency to another inside the app, so you can hold multiple currencies ready for spending. So to do it, simply head over and open up your YouTrip application, then simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is, on the home screen, you'll find an option that says exchange right here. Simply select that. Then once you tap on exchange, choose the currency pair you want. Example SGD to USD. Then simply tap on next and then enter the amount you want to convert. Then once that's done, simply confirm the exchange. The new currency amount will be stored in its respective wallet within the app. If you are planning to trip to Europe, you might convert some SGD to Euro ahead of time, so you have euros ready in your YouTrip wallet. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.